Every time I come to CES, I always get a pretty rad hotel room view. Not really necessarily this time. What's up guys, it's Ray back here, and it's been a pretty wild past few days here in Vegas. It's been extremely busy with CES. I've been getting tons of steps in, I've been having tons of meetings, tons of appointments, tons of booth demos. Pretty crazy stuff. Definitely my most busy CES of all time. This is my 5th one and definitely the busiest yet. But I know a lot of you guys want to know, like, what's the cool tech? What's like the hottest thing on the show floor? And honestly, I gotta say, it's probably smart cars. Smart cars are everywhere. Sony has a smart car, the Vision S, LG has a smart car, Audi has a smart car, Ford has a Mustang, the Mustang Mach-E. Oh my goodness, I know I don't do car videos here, but I'm like nerding out because it's super cool stuff. I'm gonna show you guys actually a little tour in this video of Audi's booth. You guys know that I actually bought an A3 last year and I made a video on that one. So I wanna show you guys that booth tour because this is more like a passion project than anything. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And if there's anything that you wanna see as CES, let me know in the comments box down below and I will do my best to make it happen. So without further ado, let's check it out.